So as you do Unit 5 in Algebra 1, you are going to love Desmos. It's so different than the way we had to do it before graphing calculators were around. Now, it says solve this with pencil paper. Believe me, you're not going to want to do that. You have Desmos. So we're going to type in the equation y equals 3x minus 4. Now, remember what an equation does. Anything on this line, you grab any x, y. So if you went here and you grab 3, plug that in, the answer is 5. That's why the 0.35 is on there. Infinite number of possibilities of x and y. And when you put the second equation in, y equals negative 2x plus 1. Again, anything on this green line makes the green one true. Infinite solutions, but the system can be solved, or the solution to the system is where the two lines intersect. 1 for x and negative 1 for y is the only location that makes both equations true at the same time. And that is a quick, easy way for you to find your solution. This is going to be good whether they say to do this with substitution, whether they say to any method they give you. If all you need to do is solve it, then all you have to do is put each equation into the calculator and see where they intersect. So easy, so nice. Now, you will probably run across a couple questions where they're going to ask you how we had to do these by hand back in the day, some concept questions. Please ask your teacher on those. But if all I want to do is solve it, you don't have to do pencil paper substitution. Just put them both in there and realize that the answer is 320. This one says to use solve the system and use probably ask for elimination. Again, you don't care. And notice it doesn't even matter if the y is by itself. These can be in standard form, and Desmos is going to do just fine. Just put them both in. Let's see where they cross. And our solution is the intersection. And there it is. 2,8. We select 2,8. What's really nice is Desmos can do this for solving as well. Now, when you have a system like this, notice they did not give you those equations. So just real quick, remember, if you're going to find a solution to the inequality, the solutions are where it's double shaded. These points have to be in the double shaded area. So 0, 0 is right here. That wouldn't be a solution. Negative 12, 0, that is in the shaded region. 1, 2, nope. And negative 10, 1, yes, that would be in there. So when it says select all that apply, you can do that. And again, if you wanted to put those coordinates in, you could, but the problem is you don't have the equations to check it. So you're really just going to have to realize that the shaded area is where the solution is, and any point going in there will do that. Now, if they want to know where the shaded region is, that again is really easy in Desmos. Y less than or equal to 1/4 x plus 3. It'll shade for you. The other equation is y greater than or equal to negative x plus 5. Now, Desmos has the purple one shaded here, the green one shaded here, but the solution, remember, is where they're both shaded. Any point in here is a solution that makes both inequalities true. So for this, that would be region C. And that is quickly how we can use Desmos to help us with systems.